hangar in Jackson, Michigan. This is the tornado here in Jackson, Michigan. County Fairgrounds. So it's sitting still. None of the rides are going yet. I guess we're going to wait till they all go. This is the skater. This is the skater ride here in Jackson, Michigan. This is the Dragon Express here in Jackson, Michigan. Or Oriental Express, excuse me, here in Jackson, Michigan.
Oh, I know why. They should get their trucks and stuff in here this year. Instead of renting that other place they usually put up.
I will in a second, Terrence. Well, this is Jackson County Fairgrounds. Here's their top drawer. It goes down. More shots of Jackson, Michigan County Fair. Twister. We replaced the Himalaya last year, so this is the second year that Mid-America's had it. How come we can't take it back down? Just once it's set, it's set, huh?
No.
We're here at the Jackson County Fairgrounds, in Jackson, Michigan. And they're now putting up the giant wheel. Mid-America shows. This is a Scorpion ride. As you can see, it's not complete. We're here in Jackson, Michigan now. I can't even see how much time is on this.